Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to make an image fit on Wix. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So in this case, how do we actually make an image fit on Wix? Well, it's actually pretty easy. So what we need to do first is we need to open up our website here. So go to your dashboard, go to the editor of your website, click on edit site here, and this should open up. In this case, in our website, what we need to do is we need to add another section. So let's go ahead and click on add section here, and we want to choose blank section. Now in this case, you might want to fit an image in this section here. So go ahead and click on the add element section. And from here, choose the image that you want to use. So maybe I want to use this image here of a cafe. So in this case, as you can see, the image itself is not that fitting for my whole image here. So I would suggest you try doing here is you could actually click on the edit image option here, and it should actually lead you to the editor or photo studio for Wix. Now in this case, when you go to crop size here, you have the crop ratio here. So if you have the free, it should adjust itself accordingly on what size that you have on your website. They also have the option to flip them if you want to, or even resize it accordingly if you want to. But in this case, make sure that it is actually set to free, or if you want to have it on a specific format, you go ahead and do that. But for now, let's go ahead and click on save. Now, since this is actually set to free, so whenever you actually change something, so for example, I want to change this or I want to make it a lot bigger. So at the top left of your screen or top right or just the corners of the image, you should be able to change the image itself. As you can see, it's a lot bigger, but it has the same width and length for it. So it's proportional to what it's actually first look like. But since this is actually set to free, when you actually hold and press on the buttons on the sides here, it's going to automatically adjust itself. So whatever type of formatting or length or your image has, as long as it's actually set to free, it will not change itself. In this case, let's go ahead and make sure that we fit it accordingly and make sure that we fit the whole thing here. So in this case, once you've done that, again, it will automatically adjust itself. And in this case, you can go ahead and just start editing your images here as you would or as you would like. But in this case, that's how you make an image fit on Wix. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like, subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.